Hello guys, this is Johnny from Molecular. Today I got you the Ultimate Slime Kit and we're gonna be opening it up and we are gonna be making some slime. I'm gonna teach you how to make slime using our amazing slime kit. All right, now let's see what's inside. So right here I got already opened box and I'm gonna open it right in front of you. And the first thing you're gonna find in there are the instructions. All right, it's about this much. Some glue in there, another pack of glue if you need it. We have the glow in the dark powder. This is a special one. Sand, amazing texture. We have the glitters if you want it to look good. Now we have different colors of glitters in different boxes. We have basil seed. This is actually very nice because it swells in water. Then we have the amazing foam balls. All right, this is glorious. There as well, we have the activator. Also in the box, you're gonna find a stick, a mixing stick, a pipette, all right, and a spoon. All right, the spoon is for you to measure the amount of glue you want to use, all right? Last but not least, we have the conditioner. So here, we're gonna have a bowl. You're gonna need a bowl for the slime, and then you're just gonna take a glue and pour it. That's approximately 5 spoons of glue. Then we're gonna add the conditioner. It says add 1 spoon of conditioner. So we're gonna mix it thoroughly using our mixing sticks. Then we're gonna add 2 spoons of water. I'm gonna add the foam balls because that's one of my favorites. So we're just gonna pour that in. You can actually add it later as well. You can add it now or you can add it later. I prefer to add it now, but for satisfactory reasons, you can add it later. All right, and then I'm just gonna mix that in and get all the foam balls into my slime. Now that looks nice. Then I'm gonna prepare my activator, which is the borax. And what I'm gonna need is some warm water, and I have to fill this up with water. It is made to suit your slime. All right, we're gonna close it up, pour some water till the neck. Close, give it a really good mix. Now the ratio is well for your slime, all right? Slowly add the borax solution into your slime. This is where this comes back in, and then we can set this on the side. We're gonna slowly add it. We're gonna add a couple drops first. We're gonna set the pipette aside, start mixing, and then if you can look closer, we have sort of like a gooey texture going on already. Then the more we need it, we're gonna add some more borax solution, and then we're gonna mix, and then look at that. Already having that gooey solutions, and now just keep mixing. Just keep mixing. So here's the slime, the amazing ultimate stretchy slime with the foam balls in. It is very, very stretchy. All right, smooth on the skin. And guess what? Very, very playful. And you know what we can do? Let's see if we can make a big bubble out of this. Wow, look at that. I hope you have fun playing with Molecular Ultimate Slime. Bye.